Hey everybody, Kelly here, and I want to share a really quick way to get a real estate bot on your Facebook page without really having to worry about coding, without buying the real estate bots, without having to go into all of that. Now, for those of you that are real estate bot experts, this is not to demean what you do or to take place, because there is a really good market for bots. But for most agents that don't want to get into that or pay the additional expense, it's good to have one of these on your page so that the occasional guest that pops in, you might have the ability to kind of catch them in your bot net. So I want to share with you the bot that I use, and I get it from the listings to leads page. Now guys, this is, and I've got a video on my YouTube channel. Just go and find the one on Facebook ad and lead domination. I go into real big detail on how to use this site to generate Facebook leads for as little as 50 cents a lead. It's quite an amazing piece of software, and it's $40 a month, and you get such a plethora of tools. But what I want to share is the bot tool that's on Listing to Leads. And so what I've done is I've got the page greeting on my Real Estate Keys Facebook page, and I want to show you what it looks like. So I'm visiting my site as a visitor, and there it is right there. It says, "Hi, Kelly." Now remember, this was all generated from the Listings to Leads site. I didn't have to do any coding. I didn't do anything. This basically just linked right to my page. So it says, "Hi, Kelly. I'm your bot assistant from Real Estate Keys. I'd be happy to help you buy or sell a home or answer any questions." So I can do I'm a seller, I'm a buyer, or talk. So let's just say I'm a seller. It's going to start talking to me now. Now I'm not going to go through the whole thing with you guys. But if you want to have a bot on your page and you want access to what I feel is probably the best lead generation software package out there for $40 a month, no long-term commitment, you really should check out Listing to Leads. The bot alone is worth it, but the ability to go in there and do a very quick Facebook lead page ad, I can literally have an ad up and going in 1 minute that is high converting. And I say it's high converting because I just ran one 2 weeks ago, had to shut it off. I was running about $1.40 a lead, generated almost 50 leads of people that were looking to buy a home, and I got there in about 2 or 3 clicks. So again, just a great software. And if you're wanting to get into the bot marketing, then you've got that all intrinsically put within this software on their bot section. And if you'll notice, I've got 9 conversations going right now with 6 subscribers on my page for the bot. So there it is, guys. And there is the bot. I can continue telling them I want single, whatever. This thing will just keep going on and on and on, and start a conversation. So there you go, guys. There's how you can have a bot on your Facebook business page that will be ready to communicate with anybody that comes to your page. I hope that made sense. I hope that if you're looking for a bot, you would consider it. I will leave a link on the bottom of the video where you can get a 30-day free trial to Listings to Leads. It's well worth exploring, guys, if you're wanting to get into Facebook lead ads and start to take back control of your Facebook advertising, and maybe disassociate yourself from companies that you might be paying just an ungodly amount of money to right now to do your ads. I can tell you in 7 years, it is the best and easiest platform to put ads out that I have found. All right, I will talk to you on the next video. Have a great day.